Guys, welcome back, man. We are on our duo of Corvettes, and clearly we have moved from C2 to C8.
Yeah.
And man, we got something hot.
What an evolution, right? It's amazing. And this is, when you see something like this on a car, you get that impression, whoa, it just screams performance, right? It's just, nothing says performance like pie cuts and titanium exhaust. This is from Valvetronics. We've used them before. World-class tones, notes, everything you want out of that V8, man. It wakes it up, livens it up, and man, definitely makes that sound go big. Look at this X-pipe cross-section right here. Like, that's massive, right? How cool that is with the gussets and everything welded into it. It looks like it's ready to race.
Yeah, Valvetronic knows how to do these systems, man,
and
top to bottom.
Everything is all, I mean, the fit and finish, every piece you need, every part you need, it's thorough.
All right, we got the behemoth out, man. The 48-pound heavier version of this.
It's amazing that there's almost 50-pound difference between this and that. And that's gonna sound a million times better.
And you're gonna feel it at the track, right? Coming out of the corners.
Most definitely.
All right, so what we gotta do first is, right, we've got some electronic actuators. Well, in the new system, we only need 2 of the 4 that came. Yep. So, right, we got this one and this one. So we're gonna reuse the outer ones, right? That's what we're gonna swap right over. The inner ones, we gotta do something, a little trick, and we're gonna use these little doodads right here. It's the same connector as this. We're gonna connect it to the harnesses right there, and that's somehow gonna keep the computer happy.
Yep.
Perfect.
Computers being happy, we love.
Yeah, it's great. But the inners, we don't need. So we can just leave it here, save it, sell off the system, whatever. All right, we got the Valvetronic exhaust buttoned up, and we couldn't wait to put all the fascia on before firing it up. Are you ready?
Yeah,
Look at the face of a guy who's ready to fire it up.
Ready.
All right, man. Hit the button.
All right.
Let's hit the sucker. Woo. I like it so far. That's what I'm talking about. What do you think, boss? A little bit of an upgrade
That's
or what?
sick, man. That's awesome. It sounds so much better.
Yeah.
That's wicked.
Oh, man. All right. Well, we got to get this thing buttoned up, man. We got to get the shoes back on it because we got to get it on the road.
Yeah, man. I need one of these.
For sure. For sure. All right, gang. Hope you guys had fun with us today, man. Double the fun with the Corvettes.
Yeah, man. No doubt.
All right. We'll see you next time. Take care.